In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Facebook Pixel on a MailChimp landing page step by step so you can start tracking visits and improve your ad reporting and retargeting. This is a really useful setup if you're running Facebook or Instagram ads and you want better visibility into what people do after they click through to your landing page. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Then sign into your account using your email address and password. Once you're inside MailChimp, look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is where MailChimp keeps your email campaigns, landing pages, and other marketing assets. Now locate the landing page campaign where you want to add Facebook pixel tracking. If you have more than one landing page, make sure you choose the correct one, because the pixel will only track the page you attach it to. After you find it, select the landing page you want to update and click Edit. This opens the campaign settings so you can make changes. Next, scroll down until you see the settings and tracking section. This is where MailChimp lets you control tracking options for the landing page. Click Edit to open the tracking settings. If a prompt appears, go ahead and click Accept so you can continue into the tracking options. Once you're in the tracking area, look for the option that says Track with Meta Pixel. This is the setting that connects your landing page to Meta's tracking system. Check the box to enable Meta Pixel tracking for the landing page. After that, you'll see a field for your Meta Pixel ID. Now paste your Pixel ID into the Meta Pixel ID field. Be careful here because you need the actual Pixel ID from Meta Events Manager, not your account ID and not some tracking script code. If you're not sure where to find it, double check inside your Meta Events Manager before continuing. Entering the wrong ID can stop your tracking from working properly, so this step is important. After you paste in the correct Pixel ID, review everything one more time to make sure the tracking option is turned on and the ID is correct. Then click Save. Once you save the changes, MailChimp will apply the Meta Pixel tracking settings to your landing page, and that's it. Your Facebook Pixel is now installed on your MailChimp landing page, which means you can begin collecting data for better analytics, audience retargeting, and ad optimization. It's a simple setup, but it can make a big difference in how effectively you measure your marketing results. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.